All right, Hiro, what are we getting today?
Octopus.
Octopus.
Yeah.
Take a look at this.
One octopus. Yes. It's good, right?
The biggest, baddest one. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Nice.
That's gonna be beautiful.
All right. Kasan, how are you?
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. We have a really interesting creature in the studio. Let's show everybody what we have here.
Yeah, the octopus today.
This was $14.99 a pound, just over 2 pounds, 2.1 pounds.
And the yeah, we're gonna do for sushi.
Okay, from beginning
The
to
way.
end.
Yeah. Usually taco when you buy it's a better sticky stuff on the top.
Very
But
slimy,
this one's
right?
already it seems they're already taken off already.
Okay.
So usually if you got the taco, you put the salt, right? Then first you're gonna do everything, wash out, taking out the sticky stuff.
Now, what kind of salt should
No,
they
this
use?
is a regular salt, sea salt or whatever, you know.
Sea salt or regular salt?
Right. But this one already seems to taken off already.
Okay.
So it doesn't come out. So I just gonna wash it and then start the preparation. So head taken upside down and taking off this stuff.
Okay.
Taking upside down, taking off. Even inside they already clean up already.
Yeah, it came
Someone
from.
could clean up some already,
Yeah.
right? Put it back. And the eye, and then the mouth here.
Yeah, the mouth is on the
You-
bottom.
you
They call it
can
the beak.
Yeah, you
Uh-huh.
can take off right now, or either after steam you can take
Yeah.
off later too.
Well, they kind of, the guy, he already popped it out.
Right. So you can take off the eye out,
Okay.
taking off the eye.
2 eyes, right?
Yeah, of course.
Of course. Maybe it has 8 eyes, Hiro.
Yeah, maybe. One of the tentacles.
got 8 legs.
Tentacles,
Okay.
and the mouth.
People don't eat the eye, huh?
Yeah, eyes and the mouth is not really.
Okay. My sister and I used to fight over the fish eyes.
Fish eye.
Yeah, we used to fight over it when we were younger, as kids.
Now take off this stuff.
Okay.
Then I need to wash it because I put the salt, so I'm gonna wash it first.
Okay.
Then after I'm gonna start boiling. One more thing is between the legs. How they call these things?
It's like a web.
Like a
Yeah,
thing
like a
that,
flap or web.
right?
I call it
So
web.
this one I'm gonna cut a little bit line like this.
Okay.
The each. Yeah, I'm gonna let me do here. Each between the leg. I'm gonna cut a little bit parts like that. Okay, that's it. Okay. All right. The process is I'm gonna put a little bit of salt in it, and for 5 to 6 minutes. It's very quick.
Okay.
That's it. So I'm gonna once I wash it out and then coming back.
Okay.
Okay. Let's start boiling. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt here.
Now, any kind of salt will do, Hiro?
Yeah, any kind of salt is fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's start it. So just a little by little, so you can see the feet start twisting, right?
Yeah. Now, how long do you boil it here for?
And then all the way down about 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Okay.
Like, normally people say 3 to 5 minutes. I go with 3 minutes today. Okay. Okay, octopus is ready. Look at this. Wow. Alright. Just like that. And then just make cooling down. That's
Okay.
it. That's for the sushi.
Beautiful.
Tako.
That's it, Hiro?
That's it.
So simple.
Very simple.
Okay. To do another part 2, we're going to make taco sushi. Very good. Thank you so much, Hiro.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video at home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it, don't forget to subscribe. You guys can make this at home too, so simply. Thank you, Hiro.
Thank you very much. See you next time.
Bye-bye.